Well, apprenticeship is important to students. Most of your trades, this is the preferred training method. Well, each of the apprenticeships is a little different, but they all have a similar format. And usually it is you come to school 1 day a week or 1 day every other week. But typically the rest of the hours of the week you're working on the job. It's a way that they can get job experience along with the schooling. They are paid along the way. Most of them have insurance benefits along with it. They can get out of school with little to no debt. Depending on the apprenticeship, about 4 years to complete, 4 to 5 years. And when you're done, you also have 4 to 5 years of industry experience along with that. I'll watch an apprentice come in with little to no experience, and throughout those 4 to 5 years, turn into very competent journey workers. I had one apprentice that started off, she had been incarcerated, and was looking for kind of to restart her life, trying to get some job skills and to be able to, have a better life. Things are going well on the job. She's obviously doing a very good job in school. And one day I'm walking through the apprenticeship room, and they're working on their computers, and we take little breaks now and then. And I look over, and on the break I see there's Zillow with homes up. And so I just politely ask, "Oh, I'm looking for, what are you doing?" And she says, "Well, we're really considering buying a house." At this point she's probably been there for 3 years. And she's gone from, incarceration, gone over some personal struggles, and now able to purchase a home. And then she got married, started a family, all of that. Just to see that transformation in people, it's very empowering. It makes me want to do my job. It makes me want to come back. I mean, I love my job because I get to do that sort of thing. It's not a traditional pathway, so there's just people that maybe fit better into this mold than they do in the traditional college.